How to connect Instagram to your Facebook page. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can connect Instagram to our Facebook page. So let's just get ahead with the process and look out on how to do it. So if you want to connect the Instagram to your Facebook page, first of all, you need to open up your Facebook. After you open it up your Facebook, you can head over to this section right here and switch up to your profile, your page, Facebook page, and you'll be finding your Facebook page here. So from here, head over to your profile right here and then go over to settings, and your settings and privacy opens up. So from this section, you need to scroll down and head over to this linked account option under permissions. You can locate this option. Just go ahead and tap on it, and here you'll be finding Instagram and WhatsApp. So go ahead and tap on Instagram since we are looking for that. After that, all you need to do is just go ahead and tap on this connect account option, follow the on-screen prompts and continue with the process, and then your Facebook page will be added with your Instagram account. So that is how you add your Instagram to your Facebook page. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.